Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I want to give an update on the Trade 5 app and specifically the updates I made concerning the cost basis. So if you don't know what the Trade 5 app is, there's a link down in the description and you have a 30-day free trial to try out this mobile app that you can use to track all of your options trades. One of the first things I updated concerning the cost basis is I removed the option to add to cost basis calculator from the stock trades. So if we just go here to an open trade and we add a trade for a stock. Previously, there was a selector down here where you can add this trade to a cost basis or the cost basis calculator. But I just removed that. By default, everything is going to be added to the cost basis calculator. So let me add in something right here we'll use as an example. So just XYZ, let's say we have 50 shares of this at $9 a piece, and we'll just add that trade. Okay, so 50 shares at $9 a piece. So let's say we add another one, XYZ, and we add another 50 shares, and we're going to have this at $11 a piece. So 50, whoops, this should be XYZ, 50, so 50 shares at $9, 50 shares at $11. We would then have 100 shares with an average cost basis of $10 a piece. So if you ever need to change an entry for the cost basis, whether it's a stock or something else, then you would just do that through the trade records. You would just go to your open trades or closed trades and you would look for that particular stock and edit it or delete it if you want, and it will take it out of the cost basis tab. All right, so here are the major updates. These are the new features on the cost basis tab. If you go to the cost basis tab here, and we want to go to XYZ, you can see now that there is a display at the top. There is an original versus adjusted. So you can have your original cost basis or your adjusted cost basis. So just looking right now at the original cost basis of XYZ, you can see that we have 100 shares at $10 average per share. And you can see there were 2 purchases made. So there are no edits here. You can't tap these cards and edit the transaction because the transaction is now controlled from the trade record. You can also see how much money you have put into this particular stock. You can see $1,000 because I bought 50 of them at $11 and 50 of them at $9. So you can see how much you added. Now for your adjusted, what you'll see here then is all of the short call premium. So all of the covered calls that you have sold against these collateral shares, that's now going to be added in this tab, but we haven't done anything yet. So let's go and add a short call. So we'll go back to open trades, tap new trade, go to short call. And again, we want XYZ. Doesn't matter what these things are. Let's just say we sell one contract and we sold it for 50 cents. All right. So let's add that trade. All right, so in our cost basis, if we go to adjusted, we haven't received anything yet. And the reason why is because we haven't closed the trade. So let's go and close the trade. So go here and look for the short call, and we can close the trade. So let's just say we close it today. And now as soon as I tap the close date, you can see something comes up down here. It's asking, do we want to apply this premium to our cost basis? And the default is yes, we do. And we close it, let's just say we let it expire. So we got the full 50-cent premium, and then we are done with that. Here's the completed trade record. We go back to our cost basis tab and we can see now we have received $50 in premium. We can see the date that we received it, and our adjusted cost basis is now $9.50. Originally it was $10, adjusted it's $9.50. All right, with that said, let's go to the short call entry once again. So we go back and let's clear this and let's add another short call. And I want to show you something else. So XYZ once again, let's say we sell another contract for 50 cents. And we can see the cost basis type. And this cost basis type selector controls this drop-down menu. So if we look at this drop-down menu under original, these are all our original cost bases of all of the stocks that I own currently. So you can see XYZ down here at the bottom, $10. But if we click on adjusted or tap on adjusted, we look at the cost basis drop down again, and you can see these are only the adjusted cost bases for each of the stocks that we own. We can see XYZ is $9.50. So you can select Under this short call trade entry, you can select which cost basis you want. You want your original, or you want the adjusted, or you can enter your own if you want to, for whatever reason. When you close this trade, once again, if you tap on OK and you have a close date, now you see this question if you want to apply this premium to your cost basis. So again, default is yes, but you can choose no. For example, if you're doing a poor man's covered call and you don't want your short calls to be applied to your actual long stock, you're applying that basically to your long call position, you can choose no, and it won't go to your cost basis. All right, so those are the updates to the cost basis tab. So once again, for this app, there's 30-day full access. For the app, the link is down in the description. There's 2 membership levels currently for the app. The first is the Peridot. This is the basic app. It includes the dashboard, the open and close trades, and your goals. If you upgrade to the Jade, which is the premium app level, this includes the cost basis calculator, the cost basis tab, and adjusted cost basis, everything that we've been talking about in this video. So you become a member by going to Patreon, link is down in the description, and sign up. And again, the first 30 days are full access of the premium app, so you can try it out for a month and see how you like it. Peridot level for the basic app is just $5 a month. The Jade level, $7 a month. So if you have any questions about the app or about membership, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can catch me on Twitter at Trading5Talents. And if you want to continue to receive updates on not only the wheel strategy and the options trading that I'm doing to pay off my Tesla Model 3, but also updates on the app, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.